How to make money freelance writing websites that pay writers $50 plus earn trade of writing for penises or penances or whichever click for crappy pay you prefer and ready to learn how to make money online for real. Were tired of it too. That's why Caro started to pay for posts a few years back and why she upped her rates to $75 plus last fall, and it's why we update you list of site that they play on a regular basis. Below is the new and improved early 2021 edition of Make a Living Writings list of websites that pay at least $50 per post. What's included and not, rather than linking to the list we published last fall. We are posting a comprehensive and updated new list. We added new markets we learned of in the past 6 months and removed sites that have categories of posts that are below $50. That's or minimum. In some cases, these sites keep it on the QTXT what they pay. We are including markets where freelance writers in our network report they pay more than $50 in order to bring you the best variety of paying markets possible. We we also removed sites they are not currently exploiting British, which knocked a good portion of the writing for serious sites of site where you only have a shoot at earning $50. Writing on space or based on traffic or ad click are not included. This is a list of markets offering catering to pay only. The list runs the gamut of topics from parenting and catering to business and writing. So there should be something here for everyone, and not forget, if you are ready to supercharge your freelance writing career, the Freelance Writers Den as our team so hours of on-demand boot camp trainings. You can access 24 24 is line plus an extensive commentary of 1,050 hundreds members sharing valuable active and in at day out there also are members only job board with new opportunities to make money waiting positive regularly get on waiting list list now so you can take your career to the next level. As always, we appreciate any correction or addition. Please post them in the comments. Here the last business, career and fitness. नंबर एक बी मेंटल पेन बे $50 माइनस $150 फॉर बिजनेस डैश रिलेटेड आर्टिकल्स. नंबर टू coaches training blog is looking for articles about catching business life career and other kinds based on assignment. नंबर थ्री कॉपी हैंड्स बे $32,325 फॉर आर्टिकल्स अबाउट कॉपी राइटिंग बाइंडरिंग रनिंग अ बिजनेस एंड मोर. रीड द सबमिशन guideline card following to write जो hang out with बे $50 if you pre-agreed it with the editor and send a pitch and negotiate the payment before writing the articles. They run post about your lifestyle, success stories, interviews, and other reported feature of interest to business leaders. Number 5 Daily World Day $150 for articles about women and many. These are black hole editor at email address, but I recently tweeted them about how to submit a pitch, and they suggested hitting up the managing editor for back. Number 6 Doctor of Credit paid $50 for personal finance articles that focus specifically on credit. Number 7 E-commerce insights they $60 minus $150 for articles about online relating. Number 8 freelance mom paid $75 minus $4 of cost about running a business as a busy parent. Number 9 FreshBooks why you pay that some freelance investing site we recommend pays $200 a post and up be prepared to negotiate to get a better rate. Number 10 accounts has a new online web called Crow Magazines that paid $50 plus for finance writing credit at it toward millennials. They not have QT lines posted, but they told me to simply to grow a at accounts.com with the word story in your subject line. We don't normally recommend these entries emails, but because the pub is still net, it might not be a black hole yet वाइट नमिगारा इनकॉम इटरी paid $50 minus $200 of articles about making money online, including SEO, affiliates, sales, and traffic generation. नंबर 12 मिनिस्ट्रीज पे $200 for $1000 मैंने $2000 वर्ल्ड पोस्ट on making WordPress on marketing, business, protective and growth topics. Not markets is currently playing only for post. The commission or instant post are updated. Number 13, modern farmer reportedly pays around $150 for articles. Number 14, Number banning halters tells shares money saving ideas. Your I need to negotiate pay with the editors during the partial process and be waiting to get a link back to your site. Number 15, President makes pays $1,000 for $2,000 word articles on data, and the search articles must be submitted on space. They occasionally post requests for articles on specific topics, which might get you closer to that big paycheck. Not these pubs writers Quickline now say that the $50 articles be prepared to verify negative state payment. Number rank pack pays $50 for articles about SEO, content marketing, and social media. Such a left that is all about payments and repeat search study. The client read past articles and look at the about page and list page beneficial to get a feel for the audience. Pay depends on segment essays. 18 Rush accepts first person accounts on the positive